the Russian forces destroyed the temporary base of Ukraine in the residential area of Velikaya Novoselka. The enemy's hideout was discovered, thanks to the persistence of reconnaissance units operating drones with patience. During long and persistent monitoring of the movements of the Ukrainian Armed Forces in the residential area of Velikaya Novoselka, our soldiers discovered the temporary placement of the enemy on the lower floor of one of the high-rise buildings, as stated in the video description by the Russian Far East volunteer team on May 8. Velikaya Novoselka is a village in Ukraine located in the Zaporizhzhia Oblast, which is a province in southeastern Ukraine. The village is situated about 60 kilometers (37 miles) to the east of the city of Zaporizhzhia. The enemy coordinator was sent from the reconnaissance drone to the artillery unit, and the attack occurred according to the target. The number of losses of the Ukrainian forces has not been calculated yet. The Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov May 7 said Russian forces defeat Ukrainian army in the areas of Chasov Yar and Bogdanovka in the Donetsk Republic. In the Donetsk region, at least 185 Ukrainian military and foreign mercenaries were killed over the day. Russian army eliminates up to 60 military soldiers of Ukrainian army in the Krasny Liman direction alone of the Donetsk region. Russia aviation, missile troops and artillery of the Russian group of forces have engaged 98 AFU artillery units, manpower, and hardware in 119 areas during the day. During the night, 22 Ukrainian strike drones were detected over the Black Sea by air defense systems. All the Ukrainian UAVs have been downed by anti-aircraft fire or suppressed by electronic warfare. Moreover, 10 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down close to Tarvolzhanka, Kharkov region. In total, 418 airplanes and 230 helicopters, 4,027 unmanned aerial vehicles, 421 air defense missile systems, 9,014 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,096 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,754 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,037 pieces of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kiev, the armed forces of Ukraine said Russia lost 660 servicemen in a single day, including 6 tanks, 10 armored vehicles, and 18 drones. In total, Kremlin lost 193,430 servicemen since their first full-scale aggression on February 24, 2022. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky met with a delegation of the American state of Utah led by President of the state Senate Stuart Adams, which also included representatives of business and charitable organizations. Such visits are signals of support for our country not only at the national level, but also at the regional level, Zelensky said. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 437 days. There are still no peace agreements between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!